Hello everyone, this short tutorial will show how to use the command line interface. A full list of commands can be found above the command line. There are two main types of commands, transformations and visualizations. Transformations actively change the state of the graph. You can see this clearly, for example, with the command kosaraju. Visualizations change the appearance of the graph to indicate an algorithm or command output. Here, the Dijkstra command visualizes the shortest path between two nodes. You can type multiple commands on the same line by separating them with semicolons. Both transformations and visualizations can be undone and redone with state buttons. You can also clear visualizations with the Clear Visualizations button, or by typing the command clear viz. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know.